Electronic Guinea Pig here. I'm here with you guys today to install the BFG Tech Nvidia GeForce 8600 GT for my PC right here, which is what you're looking at. And it doesn't have a graphics card currently installed. It's using the graphics from the motherboard, which are really crappy and don't let me play anything. So I bought this and it's pretty good. It's got 256 megabytes of DDR3 RAM, which is fast. It's overclocked. I'm not quite sure what the core clock is on that, but I'll post the specs on the side. So first thing we're gonna do is take off the side panel. It just slides right off like that. And there's the inside of my computer. There's the PCI slot. I tried my best with cable management. I thought I did an okay job. Now the beauty with this case is all I need to do is go push that in, push this little blue guy in, and it slides right like that, and this guy pops out. No screws or anything required. Beautiful, just the way I like it. That's gonna. Now it should just slide right in. This cable's in the way, but that shouldn't be that much of a problem. There we go. Pops in. Slide that guy right. So. And there it is. Not hard at all. It's right in there. That's my wireless card. Allows me to get wireless internet and whatnot.